It was Mia's first day at work in another country. Everything felt different: the language, the people, the workplace. Mia had studied English for years, but that morning she was so nervous. My name is Mia. I'm from Poland. I moved to Canada 3 months ago. Today is my first day at my new job. I work at a hotel in the city center. I wake up early, very early, at 5 in the morning. I cannot sleep. I look at myself in the mirror. I say quietly, "You can do this." But my heart is fast, very fast. The hotel is big and beautiful. There are tall windows and shiny floors. People are talking everywhere, but not in Polish, in English. A woman walks to me. She has a big smile. "Hi, you must be Mia. I'm Sandra. I'll show you everything today." I understand her words, but I answer slowly. "Hello. Yes, I am Mia." My voice is small. Sandra smiles again. "Great. Follow me." She gives me a blue badge with my name on it. Mia, front desk team. I look at it. I put it on my shirt. It feels heavy, but in a good way. Sandra takes me to the front desk. There is a computer. There are keys for the rooms. There are many things to learn. "Don't worry," she says. "Your first week is just for watching and listening." I nod. I say, "Okay." But inside, I am thinking, what if someone talks to me? What if I don't understand? At 10 o'clock, a man comes to the front desk. He's tall. He has a big suitcase. He looks tired. He says something very fast. I catch only two words: reservation and name. My face goes red. I look at Sandra, but Sandra is on the phone. I take a breath. "Hello, your name, please?" The man says, "Johnson, Peter Johnson." I look at the computer. I type his name. Slowly, I find it. Room 412. "Here is your key." The man takes the key. He says, "Thank you." Just two words. But I feel something warm in my chest. I did it. At 12 o'clock, we go to the small kitchen for lunch. There are four other people. They always speak fast. They laugh a lot. I sit down. I open my food from home. It is pierogi, Polish dumplings. A young man next to me looks at my food. "Oh, what's that?" he asks. I feel nervous. How do I explain pierogi in English? It is pasta, but filled with potato and cheese from Poland. "Wow, that looks amazing," he says. "I'm Carlos, by the way." "I'm Mia," I say. "Cool name. Is it hard to say in Polish?" I laugh a little. In Polish, it is the same. Mia. Carlos laughs too. For a few minutes, I forget about my English. I'm just talking. In the afternoon, a family comes to the desk. A mother, a father, and a small girl with red shoes. The mother speaks very fast. I understand most of it, but one word I don't know. She says, "Is the pool heated?" Heated. I know pool, I know hot, but heated? I try to remember. Hot, warm, heat, heated. Yes, I say slowly. The pool is warm all day. The mother smiles. Perfect. Thank you. The little girl with red shoes looks at my badge. She points at it. Mia, she says. That's a pretty name. I smile at her. Thank you. I say, I like your shoes. She hides behind her mother, but she is smiling too. At 5 o'clock, my first day is finished. Sandra comes to me. How do you feel? She asks. I think for a moment. How do I feel? Tired. Yes. My feet hurt. My brain hurts. But also something else. I feel okay, I say. Better than this morning. Sandra laughs. You did great, Mia. Really? I take off my blue badge. I hold it in my hand for a moment. Mia, front desk team. Tomorrow I'll put it on again. And maybe tomorrow I will speak a little faster, understand a little more. Not because I studied more, not because I read a book about confidence, but because today a tired man said thank you. A little girl liked my name, and Carlos wanted to know about my food. Sometimes the first day is the hardest, but sometimes the first day is also the beginning of something that feels like home. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next video. Bye.